In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove annoying audio background noise from any type of audio using AI tool completely free, and how to turn this.
Today, we'll be dealing with strategic satanic
Into this.
Today, we'll be dealing with strategic satanic.
My name is Ebenezer from USA Studio, and without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to be converting our video into audio because the site requires audio only. You can use audio converter like iSkysoft and any type of audio converter. After I've done that, next we are going to head over to our browser. So on our browser, we are going to be searching for the AI tool. The AI tool is called AI Coustics. So we are going to be searching for AI Coustics. Click on enter. So the first one that will come up is the AI Coustics. So click on it. So next, you are going to sign up. It will require you to sign in or sign up if you are a new user. So we are going to click on sign up, and we are going to be using our Google Gmail. So I've already done that using my Google Gmail. One good thing with this site is that they will give you 60-minute free upload usage. Yeah, we already have the 16 minutes free usage. So next, we're just going to click on this browse file. So this is the audio. So after I've clicked on it, it will show proceed. You click on proceed. So you wait for it. Now it's enhancing. You wait for it to start enhancing your audio. So now you just give it like 1 minute to enhance the audio. Now it has completed the process. I'm going to first play the audio for you. Let me go head over back to my desktop. This is the audio, the affected audio. I'm just going to be playing it for you to listen.
Today, we'll be dealing with strategic satanic attacks. When you go through the scriptures,
so now if you listen to this audio, you will discover that there's wire noise affected it, and this type of noise can be caused through generator or bad audio cable. Next, we are going to review the enhanced audio.
Today, we'll be dealing with strategic satanic attacks. When you go through the scriptures, there are 5 categories.
So now if you listen to this audio, you discover that it has completely removed the background noise that was on that audio. So now if you're not okay with the enhanced version, what you need to now do is to open any editing app to add some little effect and increase the volume. So now I'm going to be using Femoral to change some settings on the audio and also increase the volume to make it more louder and audible. What I'm going to do next, I'm just going to click on the import file. I'm going to import the audio. So next, I'm going to drag it into the timeline. So what I'm going to do next, I'll double click it. So once you double click it, you will see this part where there's equalizer. From that equalizer, you can decide to change some settings. If you feel that there's no bars on the voice, you can use that equalizer to add bars. You can use the equalizer to also add high. You can use it to change the tone, the voice, and make it more sharper and clearer. So let's just do that. I'm going to be using soft for it. Next, I'm going to also increase the volume.
Today, we'll be dealing with strategic satanic attacks.
So now if you listen to the audio, you will discover that the voice is sharper and clearer. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.